gorgeous, handsome dad.
What?
Sir Ross Hemingway.
Yes. Come out. Ano to class? Hello, sir. Good
Clap
evening.
everyone, clap everyone. Oh.
Good evening, thank you all for coming. Looks like it should be a good evening. We have some good MCs here this evening, and I hope it all goes well. Thanks for coming, and enjoy the party.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Oh, very handsome.
Sir Ross, I'm sorry I can't speak English straight because my English capacity is 1 gig only. Okay, so then after that, I collapse. Okay, then
After 5 minutes, what happened? After you collapse?
What?
After you collapse?
Check in.
Check in where?
Hospital.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir Ross. Let's give him a round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much. And of course, our ever beautiful,
Yes, the
gorgeous,
sexy
mom.
the gorgeous.
Yes, let's now call Miss Carmela Hemingway.
Wow.
Yeah, Miss Carmela Hemingway. Very beautiful. Oh, it's going to be beautiful.
Hello, good evening, guys. Thank you very much for coming here for the party and enjoy dinner. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, madam. Enjoy niyo po yung dinner ha, kasi kami po rin mismo ang nagluto niya. Oo, so hindi niyo po natatanong kami po may-ari ng catering.
And of course, before we introduce our debutante,
Yes.
We would like to call, of course, our the Grandma Dorothy, our ever beautiful
Yes, to give
Grandma
us
Dorothy.
some speech.
Yeah, to give us, you know, like a welcome speech.
Yes.
Like for
Come
everyone.
on.
Diyan na lang. Diyan na lang.
Oh, this is most unexpected, but I'd just like to thank you and to Ross Camilla for asking me to come over to this party. I haven't seen such a big event in Melbourne. They don't have 18th birthdays so much as 21st for girls. But it's lovely to see you all here, and I hope you enjoy your evening. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much.